Welcome to Motivation at Hand, Ma. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. In fields where innovation blooms and thrives. Alternative farming, nature's surprise. Aquaponics, vertical towers rise high. Sustainable practices no longer by and by. Hydroponic waters, plants without soil. Aeroponic misting, innovation's royal foil. Precision in farming, data's endless toil. Innovators tending to the earth with care and toil. Mushrooms' hidden secrets, agroforestry's grace. Mobile farms on wheels, a moving space. Aquaculture's waters, a thriving place. Alternative farming, nature's embrace. 10 alternative types of farming. 1. Aquaponics farming. Imagine starting an aquaponics farm as an exciting project. Finding the right location with access to water and electricity is crucial. Equipment-wise, you'll require a fish tank or pond, a grow bed or. Plus, you'll need to decide which types of fish and plants you want to raise. You'll also want to figure out how to take care of both the fish and the plants. You'll begin by doing some research, learning about the system, and understanding what equipment you'll need. 2. Entering into the aquaculture. In the world of aquaculture, you'll be raising fish and aquatic animals. Equipment for aquaculture includes tanks or ponds for your aquatic friends, pumps and filters to keep the water clean and circulating, and aeration systems to ensure your aquatic buddies get plenty of oxygen. You'll decide which types of fish and aquatic animals you want to nurture. Researching the care and requirements of different species is crucial. Finding the right location with access to water and electricity is also a must. 3. Vertical farming. If you're thinking about vertical farming, it's like building a futuristic garden. You'll dive into research to understand the technology and equipment you'll need, including cool things like LED lights, irrigation systems, and vertical growing racks. Finding the right location call for your imagination to bloom. And of course, you'll have to decide which crops you want to grow in this vertical wonderland. Your equipment checklist here includes vertical racks or shelves for your crops. LED lights to provide artificial sunlight. Vertical farming irrigation system to deliver water and nutrients, and sensors to monitor the environment. 4. Urban farming. Urban farming sounds like a great way to make use of city spaces. You'll start by scouting for the perfect spot in the city, which could be a community garden, rooftop, or even an unused vacant lot. Then, you'll research which crops thrive in urban settings and learn how to manage pests and soil quality to make your mini urban oasis flourish. Equipment for urban farming involves raised beds or containers. Some soil or growing media, handy tools for planting and harvesting, and, of course, ways to keep those pesky city pests at bay. 5. Hydroponic farming. Hydroponic farming is all about growing plants without soil. You'll embark on a journey to discover various hydroponic systems and equipment, like the fancy-sounding deep water culture or nutrient film technique. You'll embark on a journey to discover various hydroponic systems and equipment, like the fancy-sounding deep water culture or nutrient film technique. Finding the right location is important, and you'll need to decide which crops you want to cultivate. Your equipment shopping list includes the hydroponic system of your choice, water and nutrient pumps, and some nifty pH and conductivity meters to monitor your nutrient solution. 6. Aeroponic farming. Aeroponic farming might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. You'll research the technology involved, like misting systems, pumps, and growing chambers. Location scouting is key, and you'll need to pick the crops you want to grow. The equipment you'll need includes those cool aeroponic chambers or towers, misting systems to provide water and nutrients, and pumps with reservoirs to keep that nutrient solution circulating. 7. Precision farming. Imagine being a high-tech farmer. Precision farming involves advanced tools like drones, sensors, and GPS. You'll also have to decide which crops to grow and how to analyze the data collected by all this cool technology. Your equipment here includes drones or unmanned aerial vehicles for data collection, environmental sensors, GPS devices, and software for analyzing all the data you'll gather. 8. Mushroom farming. If you're into mushrooms, mushroom farming is the way to go. You'll research different mushroom types, how to cultivate them, and what equipment you'll need, such as growing containers and climate control. Location is key once again, and you'll want to choose the types of mushrooms to grow. Equipment-wise, you'll need growing containers like bags or trays. Substrate materials, like sawdust or straw, spawn or inoculum to start mushroom growth, and a climate-controlled environment to keep those fungi happy. 10. Mobile farming. Mobile farming is like taking your farm on the road. Your equipment list for mobile farming includes the mobile unit itself, like a truck or shipping container. Growing containers, such as raised beds or hydroponic systems. You'll research different types of mobile farming units and figure out how to equip them with all the necessary tools and supplies. Choosing your crops and deciding where to park and operate your mobile unit are important steps. 9. Agroforestry. Agroforestry combines trees and crops in a harmonious way. You'll research which tree and crop combinations work best together and learn how to manage the soil and resources required. Finding the right location and deciding on your tree and crop mix is crucial. Equipment in agroforestry can vary depending on what you're growing, but you might need trees. Perhaps some livestock. Fencing for animal control, and soil management tools like cover crops or mulch. 21st century alternative style of farming. Whether you're diving into aquaponics, reaching for the heights of vertical farming, or exploring the world of agroforestry, each method offers its own exciting adventure in growing food. By embracing these methods and using innovative technologies, you can make a big impact on your community and help ensure everyone has access to nutritious food. Happy farming. Thinking beyond the norms, with open minds we roam. Alternative farming, a fertile, creative home. Innovation blooms where imagination's sown. Boundless possibilities, in these fields we've shown. So let's nurture these visions, let our dreams unlock. With alternative farming, we think outside the box. In nature's embrace, we find endless paradox. Agricultural future, where the unorthodox rocks. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.